There are times when we need to when we have the requirements to use global variables or context variables inside SQL queries. For example, the variables that we have here, or maybe the global variables that we have. So if we want to use them inside SQL queries, so that's very simple. So in this case, I've created one variable which is table name, and the table name is students underscore general. Similarly, I have also created a global variable which is table name and students underscore general. So I've created two sub jobs. In the first sub job, we're going to read the data from that context variable. So simply, you just need to write the query, and wherever you want to refer to an external variable, you need to consider this terminology. So double quotes, then plus, and then the name of the variable, and then plus and double quotes. And that's how you read it. Doesn't matter if it's a select statement, if it's an update, insert, whatever. This is the standard way how you should mention your variables inside an SQL query. So similarly, if you want to use a global variable, so you know global variable has a big text to get it referenced. So string global map.get table name, and once again this is going to be followed, and that's how you can retrieve the data. If I execute this, so you're gonna see we are going to get the data from the table, and we're gonna be displaying the data here. So yeah, that's how you can use variables inside SQL queries.